All right, let's take a quick look at how classes are defined in Imba. Classes are created with the class keyword. I'm going to name this class habit, and you can put properties and methods in here. Properties are defined with the prop keyword. I'm going to have a prop called name, a prop called done. That will default to false. And I'll have a prop called created@. You can create a constructor method using the constructor keyword. This is going to take a name argument, and we're going to say name equals name. You could say self.name to specify that we're referring to the name property and that this is the name argument, but Imba is smart enough to work that out on its own, so we don't need to worry about it. Then I'm going to say created@ equals date.now. Okay, so there's our little class. I'm going to instantiate it. I'm going to say const habit equals new habit. The syntax for instantiating objects is the same as in JavaScript. I'll say exercise, and then let's just do console.log habit, just to see that our instance exists and that it worked. And you can see the done there has a little weird symbol after it. That's how Imba allows you to add a question mark in a variable name. Okay, let's add a method here. I'm going to make a method called toString, and it'll say if done, then, and it's going to print out a string with a little x, and then else a checkbox that's not checked off with the same name value interpolated into it. Okay, now we can do console.log toString. We'll call that method, and we get a nicer output in our console. Okay, I've got a quick challenge for you. Here it is. I want you to make a method on habit called toggle, and that method should just toggle the value of done. So set it from false to true or true to false. Go ahead and give that a try now. All right, here's how we could do that. I'll say def toggle done equals not done. And then to make sure that it works, we'll say habit.toggle. And then we'll log this out again after it's been toggled so we can see it's off, and then it turns on. And we can try it again just to be sure that it turns off again. So that's the very basics of classes in Imba. There's a little bit more to know about them, and you can read all about it on imba.io. We'll also learn a little bit more as we build the project, but for now I just wanted you to have a basic familiarity with the syntax of class definitions in Imba.